What's a credit score? A credit score basically tells lenders and other creditors how responsible you are in paying your obligations. It gives them a risk factor, like a grade, that lets them know if you're reliable or not in basic terms. The credit score is really important because it determines not only what amount of money you're going to be lent, but also the interest rates and the term. So someone that looks really good, has a high credit score, is very responsible, they repay their obligations really quickly, can get a shorter term and a lower interest rate. So it's really important to work on your credit score once you become an adult and you start borrowing money. What is a good credit score? Credit scores usually can span between 300 and 850. Anything between 3 and 579 is considered poor and high risk. Anything between 580 and 669 is considered fair. Any score between 670 and 739 is considered good. 740 through 799 is very good, and 800 through 850 is exceptional. Obviously, the higher your credit score, the less risk averse you are, and the more lenders will take a risk on you. In New Jersey, if you're looking to borrow with an FHA loan, which will allow you to only pay 3.5% down payment, usually they're looking for at least a 580 credit score. Keep an eye on your credit score. A lot of credit card companies and credit services do this service for you where you can keep an eye on how your credit is increasing or decreasing. If you see that there's something there that does not look right, dispute it. Be sure to be proactive in your credit score, environment, and make sure that you go forward and dispute any claims that may not be reasonable or true. Deal with those pesky collection accounts. I'd rather you have a collection on your credit score than just have an outstanding balance. So if you have a medical claim from years and years ago, go ahead and get it into collections and get a payment plan ready. That's going to look to lenders that you're responsible and you intend on paying down your obligation. Here's another tip. Use a secure credit card. These types of credit cards usually use your own money. So you deposit an amount into this card and then you're able to use that amount throughout the time that amount is available. If you're currently renting, you may want to get your utility and rent payments on your credit. And what this will do is rent reporting services can add your on-time payments to your credit report so that you can further show that you are responsible and pay your obligations on time. Don't do that if you don't pay them on time, though. Don't do that if you don't pay them on time.